Good morning everybody, I hope you had fun in your garden or on a little walk and collected lots of lovely things for us to use today. So I found lots of sticks and all my sticks are the same length, so I'm going to do something with those in a little while. But if you found some sticks that are different lengths, I'll show you something you can do with those. Let's first check that we've got 10, shall we? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now all of these sticks or breadsticks or pencils or whatever you're using are different lengths. So it's quite interesting to see which is the longest stick you've got and which is the shortest stick you've got. Remember, if we were doing things vertically like this, we would talk about things being taller and shorter. But because we're laying them down, we're talking about things being longer and shorter. But don't worry if you get those muddled up, they're a bit tricky. So let's have a look. I'm going to choose 2 sticks and I'm going to compare them side by side. So can you see? I think that this stick is longer than this stick. I think this stick is shorter than this stick. So I'm going to put the longest sticks on one side, the shortest sticks on another. Let's choose another one. Is this longer or shorter, do you think? It's a little bit longer than the first one, but it's a bit shorter than this one. So I'm going to put that in the middle. Then let's keep going with our sticks. This one is quite short. Might even be shorter. It might even be the shortest so far. Can you see how we're ordering them? Then if you've got some sticks that are quite similar, oh look, have a little look. That was only a little bit longer. Does that one go there, do you think? What about this one? See if you can slot them into the spaces where you think they might go. These two are quite similar, so hold them together. Oh, I think it's just a tiny little bit longer. Let's see, what about this one? Would that fit in there? No, it's even longer than that. It fits in there, I think. This one's quite long. It might be the longest. No, let's compare that one. Let's move it down. Oh, I think it even has to move down one more, do you? What about this one? I think someone's been hungry with this one. I think this might be there. Oh no, do you know what? It's even shorter than this one. Let's move it down to one side. So there we've ordered our sticks or our breadsticks or our pencils, or you could use socks or pieces of cardboard tubes. We've ordered them from the shortest to the longest to the shortest. So this one is longer than this one and this one is shorter than this one. Now we can always use our sticks in other ways to measure things. So if you've got some sticks that are similar lengths, and this is why we needed 10, you can measure things around your house. So I'm going to measure how long my table is using these sticks. So let's have a go. I'm going to have a little guess before I go. I think I'm going to say about 6 sticks long. Let's have a go. So I put one right at the end, then I put another one. So I've got 1, 2, let's try another one, 3. Does it go right to the end? Oh, look at that. It takes 4 sticks to go the full length of my table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you've only got 2 sticks, don't worry, because you could just keep moving them. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 right to the end of the table. So see what you can measure around your house. See if you can measure how tall you are. Lie down on the ground and measure how many sticks long you are. See if you can measure how long it takes from your front door all the way through to your television, or from the back door all the way through to where you put your coats and shoes. See if you can measure. Have a little think before, have a guess at what you think it might be. So if it's 4 sticks long on my table, I think from my front door to my television must be a bigger number than that. Must be a little bit longer. So I'm going to predict about 12 sticks long. So while I go and do that, let's see if you can do some measuring. Order your sticks, see if you can do some measuring in your house. And I'm going to see you in another few minutes time to do a little bit more maths work today. I'm going to do some counting with your sticks or straws or pencils. Okay everybody, have a great time.